no matter how e be, even though if you reach to lie, I go lie for court. You go, if I wan lie, make I lie. This one they want make dem do me, I go lie in this matter. I go lie, I go find this woman sef. The law.
How far, Mr. Nothing Much?
Why you dey come see for office like this now?
Wetin happen? Anything?
Get matter I wan ask you.
Which matter?
They choke me up like this, and that matter get as e be o. I dey fear, I no know
whether you go win or you go lose.
Okay. Im be like say small rohe don enter for the matter.
Wetin you mean by rohe don enter?
E be like say something. I mean like say I go lie put for
they no dey lie for court.
Labeg leave this one lawyer pattern abeg.
Wait, make I tell you wetin law talk.
Ngwa.
Section 117 of our criminal code that talks make nobody lie give court. Make nobody lie give court.
So nobody fit just lie.
No, you no fit because section 118 of that same law come talk say if you lie give court, because say you go chop free beans for 14 years, Mr. Nothing Much, you wan chop free beans.
Free beans. I don't understand this free beans. So make it no be say these free beans they talk say na jail they talk.
Na him dey talk now. Na him be the thing now. Na him be free beans now. So if you lie give court, you go chop free beans.
So they talk say somebody no need to lie for court.
No, you no need to. No even think
about it.
No try, no thinker. They know they lie for court. No way, no how I want to am. They know they lie for court.
They lie for court.
No way.
Small self.
You know they no fit. No thinker.
Wow.
No thinker. They know they lie for court.
Okay, now be the thing wey carry me come. I say my come see you for office. You understand?
No thinker.
No wahala.
Now you don't know now.
I don't know. No wahala. As you say, man no think am. I no go think am.
No thinker. They know they lie for
court. No wahala. Ayana, thank you.